Hello everyone!
Hello!
Good morning! It's gray and it's cold and this
Yeah.
is a
new vlog from Ver and Paul.
very good Haley May. We are today in the city of Ghent in Belgium for the celebration of the Philippine Independence Day.
Yes.
Atte is not here
Yeah.
because she's studying home.
Yeah.
She has exams, she has to study, we can party. Follow
Yes.
us.
Tara, let's go!
We are in the park in Ghent and this is our third king of Belgium, King Albert I. Later on we got an Albert II. This one was king till 1934 and that's when he fell off the rocks in the hills in Belgium and died while climbing. On the other side of the park you have a fountain. And there's also something for the kids. But we now go to the Philippine.
Let's go! Tara, tara, let's... Saan na yan? Hello po. Bola. Yeah. Kasabak cake. Ah, they have Avon. Powder. Face powder. And the Asians food and groceries with Ate Shirley, I think. Yeah. Ate Shirley's. Ah, they have gabi, daddy. Oh. Fresh laing.
Yeah, but you still need to dry it.
Yeah. Hello, ate! That's the one, the owner of Shirley's Filipino Asian products. They have hipon. The right, hipon. Smaller and bigger. And banana. Later, we need to buy banana. Here, dried shrimp for only 350. Bigger one, dried fish. And dried delish. And coconut. We have coconut cake. Coconut. And banana. But they have beer, lumpia, and siomai. Takoyaki.
Kaso peconic. Peconic yun o.
Cake.
Yung taho, yung last.
Sasakyan kita. Food. Another lot. Ano? Adobo, menudo. Wow. Pork menudo, pancit, longganisa. Barbecue.
Hi, vloggers.
Hello po. Pakbet. Ano po yan? Pata?
Ayan, sa muskanobor na namin.
Wow. Oh, may paa. There's a chicken feet. Magkano po chicken feet?
2 euro lang po isa.
2 euro isa. Wow. And meron silang dried egg. Ilocos empanada and lumpianada. Ah, wow. Yummy. Bagong luto. Ito.
Ang mamon.
Mamon.
Sa kanya.
No, is it the thing that I think?
Yeah. Later,
It is so yummy.
Yeah.
Kasi kasi ng
they have halo-halo. Yeah, really may halo-halo.
If it eats halo halo,
Yeah.
I
With
put
Manong Jerilyn. Wala bang kuryente?
Wala pa. Wala. Dito lang papapros na yun.
Oo. Marami gusto niyong mag-order. Marilyn Nicolas Cusinera. Marilyn. Palabok. Oh, ang daming hipon. Macdel and rice. Chili. The salted egg, Lily May. Ah, balot. Yes, balot. Yun. Lechon.
reservation already.
What?
Ay, sis! Sorry! May ano to, may sauce! Wait!
No, caldereta. Here is makinasal.
May sauce!
Pandesal. What they have here? May pandesal, may palabok. And they have perfume too. Perfume.
Wala kang confirmation.
And here is street food. Oh. What they have here? Kwek kwek.
It looks yummy.
Yeah. Kwek kwek. And what is this? Lugaw. Mais con yelo, I think. They have mais con yelo. Yeah. And there is mais con yelo. Ay, wow, caldereta. Yummy. And this.
Hi! Good morning!
Good morning, ate. Hello,
Nagpa-vlog
ate.
siya naman.
Oo.
Ate, si Bibi
Sabi anak ko. Nag-vlog din siya. Show my Hailey. Ah, they have free taste, I think. For dice.
Don't do it.
Look, it's still alive. Hailey is moving. And here is... Oh, dati they have a Filipino t-shirt. Dati payat.
Extra rice.
Extra rice, daddy. How much po
This is
t-shirt?
nice. 20 lang po. Proud to be Philippine.
Wow.
It's Father's Day next week po, kaya...
Oo nga po.
Nasaan ang
Ang
papa?
papa,
Ito,
there
ito.
is papa.
May bumili na po niyan eh.
San Miguel.
The boss. Anong size po to?
Ito, tingnan natin. Para...
Wait, I'm just asking.
Matura nga daw sabi, di ba?
This is large.
Large siya. The boss.
€2 lang yan, anak.
Salamat po. Tingin po muna kami. Ah, may Jollibee.
Abag lang siya. Naubos
Abag.
na yung mga t-shirts.
Naubos na
Kahapon,
sa- oh.
t-shirt, sombrero.
Ah. Ito maganda extra rice. Hello, Kim.
Si Mita Tren. Ito na yung
Mita Tren?
vlogger. Mita Tren niya, we. Mita Tren. Ira-ira yung iso.
Asan si Agnes? Ah, hindi mo kasama si si ate...
Ay, Charita.
Ito para silang dalawa.
Yawal, mais abgus prukon pa na bravo na li.
Yeah.
Anan maknimi.
Gamit na eh. Ano ba?
Yan, lumar sige vlog tos.
Hey.
Exama mo
Asan si ate? Asan si ate?
Uy!
Ikat ni Kim.
Oh, there is example.
Bindudak. Bindudak. Majisan niya lalong burbereda na yan.
Kayo na pa kayo dito, Kim? Ha? Pa kayo?
Kakarating lang namin.
rin.
Karating namin. Ang aming drinks. Ang drinks, minir.
Pakilagyan mo muna ito. Dito ka. Hindi ka pumasa na dito.
Lagi look.
Ito,
Crunchy.
Punta rin. Hindi sila. Yan pa.
Igado to, te? Oo, igado. Hindi to pikan ba? Hindi. Sige, order ka na.
Yan may pandesal. Ube pandesal.
Dalawang minuto. Picture tayo yung
Success of this festival and help make it possible for us to celebrate again next year. Thank you for your understanding, cooperation, and
Miss
support.
natin si
Maraming salamat.
Hello, Ate Cynthia. Come, Haley. Halo-halo. They have halo-halo too.
There, halo-halo.
And here is the halo-halo street food. Taho. Wow, they have taho. Different flavor. Classic strawberry, pandan, and ube. Wow. I need to try that. Ah, may pritong isda. Pakbet. Pansit.
Mommy, what's your food?
Caldereta. Try it.
Yeah, si picture niya, si picture niya.
Hindi ako rin pinili kaldereta.
Nagkaroon?
Pag may mga, di ba, may birthdays ka, may kasama, may para
Then they're flying that I eat.
basta may event sa sal, siya yan, buhan niya.
What will you eat?
Wala naman kung Brussels, may ganyan. Minsan madayo pa siya.
What will you eat?
Crispy pata.
Sarap, Pinoy. Sago, gulama. Wow. Pinoy siomay.
so much. Piliin mo ang Pilipinas partner. Isang palakpakan naman dyan!
Pilipinas, at ipakita ang tunay na atleta, ang galing ng bawat isa, ang tunay na diwa. Alam pambansa tayo ay magkaisa, para sa tagumpay pangarap ng bawat isa. Mula sa hirap at pagsubok na dinaanan, pusong lumalaban at dito sinubukan. Mga pangarap na ating binuo, sa sayaw at galaw iyong itatayo. Tayo'y sumayaw, angkoy ng tagumpay, tindig ng puso, taas noo, sabay-sabay. Diwa ng palaro, laban lang may puso, palarong pambansa, tayo'y magkaisa. Tayo'y sumayaw, angkoy ng tagumpay, tindig ng puso, taas noo, sabay-sabay. Diwa ng palaro, isang bayan, isang layunin, palarong pambansa, pangarap ay aabutin. Hawak kamay, sabay natin isigaw, pusong laban, taas noo sa balisakan. Susuko, hindi matitinag, laban hanggang dulo, pangarap ay para sa iyo. Tayo'y sumayaw, ako'y nagtagumpay, tindig ng puso, taas noo, sabay-sabay. Diwa ng palaro, laban na may puso, palarong pambansa, tayo'y magkaisa. Tayo'y sumayaw, ako'y nagtagumpay, tindig ng puso, taas noo, sabay-sabay. Diwa ng palaro, isang bayan, isang layunin, palarong pambansa, pangarap ay aabutin. Tayo'y sumayaw,
Yes! Girls, hindi muna kayo dyan. Kasi interviewin pa namin kayo.
pamanis-manis manaliw. Oy, oy, sa may daling-daling, ang pamanis-manis manaliw. Yaaw na budyang mairu, yaaw na budyang mairu. Kanak ko yung kang nagilap ang masildo-do. Hindi sa daling abunay, ang pamainig-inig sa liyanay. Hindi mo dalihanay, ang pamilya linggo-linggo sa unay daling. Ang pamilya linggo-linggo sa unay. Oy, oy, sa may galing-galing, ang pamilya linggo-linggo sa unay. Yaaw na budyang makakay, yaaw na budyang makakay. Nagpuyong ka nagitlap ang badyo sa fly. Hindi sa galing na pagapa, ang paalala ni Kasipa. Putang ang tadayan siya jala, ang pamagoy-magoy sa pantun kilat, ang pamagoy-magoy sa pantun kilat. Oy, oy, sa hinting-tingjung, sa hinting-tingjung, sa hinting-tingjung. Iyaaw na injung boy, lingkat-lingkat, lingkat-lingkat, injung bo, injung bo, injung bo, injung bo, injung, injung, injung bo.
kinabuhi hangtod sa kahantod.
Viva Señor Santo Niño,
Yes. Wait a little bit. Can I wipe it a little bit because
We're buying ballots. That's egg. Yeah, ballot. Can I get one for you too?
no, it's already 3. Okay, look.
Hey everyone!
Hello guys. Thank you for watching our new vlog from Bert and Paul.
We had a great day in Ghent. We closed the Independence Day there. We were almost the last one to go. So it was really, really nice, wasn't it?
Yeah.
I think so too. Thank you for staying with us during the video. And Haley, what do they need to do?
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell and share this video.
Thank you. See you next time.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye.